Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD465.tv, and in this video, I want to share 2 to 3 projects that I've just added to my private portfolio. Some of them, you may already have an idea, but there might be one that is a surprise, I'm not sure. One is actually a new addition, the other 2 may be just topping up. But before I jump into that, guys, please know that I am not a financial advisor. If you do require financial advice, I'm just some dude on the internet. Please do your own research or go find someone who's trained to give you financial advice. The information contained in this video is just for educational as well as entertainment purposes. It's not meant to be financial advice of any sort. That said, let's come back to this video. It's going to be very brief, but I want to share 3 projects that I've added in my portfolio. Like I said, most of them, they are top up because I already held these in my private portfolio. So the first one is Gunz, ticker symbol GUN, G-U-N, by Gunzilla Games. This is a Web3 gaming infrastructure platform designed to empower AAA game developers. It offers a suite of white label products and easy to integrate software development kits or SDKs, thereby enabling studios to launch community-driven economies seamlessly. Key features for Gunz include its in-game wallets, peer-to-peer marketplaces, block explorers, token and NFT minting engines, opt-in NFT ownership for players, and let's also not forget its gaming SDKs. Value propositions for Gunz include the fact that Gunz eliminates the need for gaming studios to invest heavily in custom blockchain architecture. By providing ready-to-use tools, it accelerates the integration of blockchain features into games, fostering player ownership and community engagement. And for some of you, this might be of interest. I'll just throw it in there, but it's not cast in stone. Price forecast for the GUN token. If you want to know more about our take when the GUN token launched and see how far off we were or how far close we were, please watch the video in the description. We did a video before the token launched, and I think that video, SPR standard, is doing rather well. So current price at the time of recording is sitting at 3.5 cents or somewhere thereabouts. And if we do get a Q3 going into Q4 2025 bull market top, I'm looking at approximately 35 to 40 cents. But if the bull market goes into 2026 Q1, I'm looking at about 87 cents. That would be a blow off top for the GUN token. Now, that is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion and my own predictions. You do your own research. This is not financial advice. This may or may not happen. It might go well above that, or it might extremely underperform and never reach any of the numbers I'm talking in this video. So please do not hold me on to this. These are just my own takes. Next is AR16Z, a cryptocurrency project that combines artificial intelligence algorithms with blockchain technology to create an advanced decentralized trading ecosystem. Key features for AR16Z include the integration of AI algorithms with blockchain, smart contracts and predictive analytics, advanced security protocols, decentralized autonomous organization or DAO for investment decisions. Value propositions for AI16Z include its aims to automate investment decisions by leveraging AI, thereby reducing the need for manual trading and analysis. This approach seeks to democratize access to sophisticated trading strategies. Current price at the time of recording, it's sitting at 21 cents. When I first started accumulating this, it was sitting at around 33 cents, and I kept DCAing all the way to about 18 cents or so. So I keep adding, not waiting, and slowly I'm building a decent bag. So my price predictions for the AI16Z token, if we do get a Q3 into Q4 bull run top in 2025, I'm looking at approximately $5.40. But if the bull run does spill into 2026, I'm expecting a price of $8 to $9.25 into Q1 2026. But again, that will be an extremely bullish blow off top for AI16Z. Any thoughts about my price prediction for AI16Z, guys? Let me know in the comment section. The third one is Lenfi, another project you guys know I hold in my private portfolio. It also features in one of our crypto public portfolios, which is the 15K to 600K portfolio. So Lenfi has been crushing rapidly, and in some quarters, if you didn't know how these things work, it is extremely worrying, but this is the time to be greedy. In my case, I am being greedy as far as Lenfi is concerned. Lenfi is a decentralized lending protocol built on the Cardano blockchain. It enables users to create their own liquidity pools and become pool managers, thereby offering over-collateralized loans and NFT bonds. Key features for Lenfi include its permissionless liquidity pools, over-collateralized loans, NFT bonds, and transparent DAO governance. Value propositions for Lenfi include its provision of a platform for decentralized finance on Cardano, allowing users to participate in lending and borrowing without intermediaries. Its unique features like NFT bonds and versatility to the DeFi ecosystem are also quite an attractive value proposition. My current forecast for the Lenfi token, which is currently priced at around 17 cents, it's actually gone below its previous all-time low, where it ran from approximately 70 into 20 cents all the way up to $4 something, but it's gone below that again. My current forecast, if the bull run does peak in Q3 into Q4 of 2025, I'm looking at $5.70, but if it does peel into Q1 2026, I'm looking at the Lenfi token going all the way up to $13.23. That's just my own opinions, guys. It's a prediction. It's meant to happen or not happen. It might happen. It may not happen. You do your own research. Do not hold me onto these figures. These are just things I'm plucking from thin air. Got a formula, of course. That said, I would love to know what your price predictions for these three are. For the Gunz token, for Lenfi, let us know where you think this will go to. The Gunz token, AR16Z, and Lenfi. I'll be interested in knowing what your price predictions for these three are. Let us know in the comment section. My final thoughts on each of these three is that each of these offers unique value propositions in their respective domains. You've got the Gunz token, which is revolutionizing the gaming industry by integrating blockchain features seamlessly, and it's got probably one of the first AAA games off the grid, which I understand is doing quite well, even though the Gunz token itself is not doing well. But price will catch up. That's what you need to do. As an investor, you need to look and see what others can't see, because the performance of the Gunz token is terrible. The tokenomics, yes, they are not the best, but you consider the likes of the Gunz token versus the BIM token, you see what I mean. I think it's not as bad as some people are making out to be. I think the problem is the team went so much into overdrive when it came to token allocation. I think the token allocation extremely favors insiders rather than the community. I think that's where the problem is. So people have wised up to that, and they're trying to stay away to safeguard their investment. Most people will end up getting the Gunz token. I don't know what the pre-sale was or the initial phases of fundraising were, how much they were getting them for, but some people might end up getting them at lower prices than those investors who went into initial rounds of investing and so forth. Next, you got the AI16Z, which is bringing AI-driven automation to investment strategies, potentially transforming trading dynamics. Now, with this one, AI16Z, I can see it running alongside the likes of Virtual's protocol, which is doing rather well. So I expect the AI16Z at some point to wake up and actually start performing token, that is, because I think the project itself has got great potential. And finally, you got Lenfi, which is expanding the DeFi landscape on the Cardano blockchain with innovative lending solutions. Now, you got the likes of Aave, Compound, and many others. They're doing well, yet Lenfi is still struggling. I think it's down to maybe the Cardano community not really going into the DeFi landscape, but I think projects like Lenfi has been doing well since its launch. I think it's now on maybe second or third year. It should be third, going for fourth year since it launched. So it's been doing all right. I know it rebranded at some point from Aeta Finance to Lenfi. So if you like the likes of Compound and Aave, maybe Lenfi is one you want to make sure you hold a little bit. I am trying to do just that. So as a retail investor like myself, I am diversifying across these projects, and that could position me at the forefront of emerging trends in gaming, AI, and decentralized finance. That's my logic. What is your logic? Do you hold any of these three? Let us know in the comment section, guys. Until the next one, FD for Sage5.tv signing out for now. Bye.